Welcome to GAEC Abroad. At Macromedia University of Applied Sciences, I found more than just a place to study. I discovered a vibrant community of over 90 nationalities, all driven by creativity and innovation. The modern campuses in Berlin and Munich are designed for collaboration, offering hands-on experiences in fields like media management, design, and digital technologies. Scholarships like the Excellence and Macromedia scholarships recognize talent and make education accessible. Plus, the support services here ensure I never feel alone, whether it's academic guidance or mental health support. With strong industry partnerships, I'm gaining real-world experience that boosts my employability. GAEC Abroad has been my trusted partner, guiding me through the application process and helping me navigate visa requirements. This journey is shaping my future, and I can't wait to see where it leads. For more details, please visit our office at Punjaguta, Hyderabad. Contact 970-0164-927.